What's up, guys? Just wanted to do a little video of mine and my brother's Mustang that we're doing the motor up on. We put it back together with new rockers and valve springs and all that, and the fucking timing was off, so we ended up pretty much blowing up the motor, but you live and learn, right? So here's the bay of the motor right now. It's a 2010 3 valve 4.6 liter. Here's the block that we actually just got back. We got it bored over 20 mils. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. It's bored over 20 mils. Heads are at the shop right now. Those are being decked, ported and polished, and actually think they're redoing the valve seats because we went with oversized valves. I think one millimeter over on all of them on the intake valves and the exhaust valves. Show you a couple things that we're putting in. First, we got billet series pistons. We went for a little bit higher compression. I think stock compression on the 2010 is, I think, 9-to-1. There's that. With these, and I believe the shaved cylinders, or shaved heads, I should say, I think the compression's going to be 13-to-1, I think is what we're going for. So we got 20 over pistons, the whole billet series racing pistons. We got that. Shitty deal. We actually just, we're going to need more fuel. We ordered a Holly fuel pump, and some asshole decided to steal it off our porch when FedEx delivered it. Sort of FedEx's fault. Instead of putting it in our front little patio where there's a gate on it, he just left it out in the driveway. So some asshole walked off with that. We saw him on our cameras, or else we would have had that. Let's see, we got some Manley. Sorry, I'm working with one hand here. One second, guys. Come on, shit. Here's the valves. I think he went titanium. That's obviously an intake valve. We got the Manley Carrillo pistons. Yeah, but we got the another titanium. Sorry, I'm at loss of words right now. We also got some Ford Motorcraft 32-pound injectors, I believe. I think that's what they are. Stock is 22 pounds, 24 pounds. So a little bit more fuel. We're not trying to do anything crazy, It's just a 4.6 GT. We were going to do stroker kit, but we want it to be reliable, It's not going to be a daily driver, but, anyways, there's the slicks right there. Hopefully we're back at the track soon. Where are we? Also went with some forged 302 rods. A little bit they actually fit from the 302 motor that comes out of the Boss. We got those. Here's some of the old stuff. As you can see on the top of the piston, that's what happens when you get your timing wrong. That sucked. So we're pretty much doing all NA. I think we are gonna have 100 shot of NOS after the first run. After we see how we're doing with this, we do run Ford Racing intake manifold. You probably can't see it here. Let me get it out for you guys. Ford Racing intake manifold. We have. Sorry guys. We have underdrive pulleys already in it. Under and overdrive pulleys. What else? Where's the headers? We have BVK shorty headers, but for what he's going for, we actually went ahead and got long tube headers, which is connected to, I can't remember the name of it, a good brand, H pipe. My brother thinks it'd be better to go to an X pipe. There's a lot more done to it, you know, obviously SET tuner and all that. Are these the rods right here? Oh yes, I believe they are. Just show you one of the. Right. No, that's all gaskets. Anyways, just a short video. Here in a couple days, we're gonna have the heads back and start doing some more videos of us putting it together. And our goal is about. We're hoping between 450. That's what we're hoping to. 450 of the wheels. NA with what we going on here. I know I'm missing some stuff, but yeah, it's just a small little YouTube video. We're trying to get started, you know, and yeah, awesome. You guys have a good night. Just wanted to show you a little bit what we're doing here.